Okay, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Agentic Intelligence Masterclass series. So, this is Sankar Ganesh from PantechELearning. So, welcome to all. Welcome to the session. Like last session, we was discuss about the how to deploy the agent in cloud basis. How can we deploy that? So, we're not entering to the deployment process. Just we know about that. So, what are the leading cloud services is that? So, three types of service we have discussed: Hugging Face, Azure ML, and AWS, right? So we already told that we are entering into this AWS cloud. We can majorly we are using that already. Was work on that, so that's why. Upcoming session, I have to show you how to deploy the agent in the AWS cloud. So today we are entering into the one agent creation. So in beginning of the day one session, I have to I was show on particular agent, the email sending agent, right? So that time I just execute the agent only. I'm not explain about that creating of the agent, right? So that's why now I have to show the step by step explanation about and a step by step concept wise. I have to show you how to create that particular email sending agent. Okay, so without delay, we are directly entering to that. So the remaining topics we have to say like the security, and today topic is security, rate limiting, and error handling. So this everything will we can see in a particular email sending agent wise. The agent creation process, we also see that these three kind of key factors. So that was our today's topics, right? So try to rechanging this particular upcoming topics. So already told in upcoming days we have to see agent creation process only repeatedly we have to see, right? So that's why. Okay, so without delay, we are entering the concept. Just a minute. Okay, so now I continue to that. Today we have to see the Lindy AI. So last time, last time not like that. First day I have to show the Lindy AI I have to use to creating the particular email sending agent. So same like that. Today's the topic is that. So directly I have to go with that particular AI creation. So before that I can start with that the login. So how to log in with that Lindy AI, then how to create the workflow. So like that I have to show you. Okay, so now I have to change in the different mail ID. So already there the particular mail Shankar Ganesh Pantech, the mail ID is already there, the particular login. So that's why I have to using the different mail ID for that. So you can go with any browser and type like a Lindy A. So like this way you have to search. So you can see this is the official page website of the Lindy A. I think it was clearly view, right? Once I click that particular A, the second website, entering to that. Yeah. So before entering this concept, you have to log in with your mail ID. Okay. So click a try for free in the right side option. You can sign up your mail ID. So okay. Yeah. So now I sign up with my Google account wise. So I have to sign up with my Google and choose my mail ID. So click the continue button. Okay, we have to just click some kind of information we have to provide it here. So what is my role? So you have to choose your one. You have you are any working people, you can select your role, or else you can just like give a like that other button, just like give the other button. Then you go in with the main use of this Lindy. What is the purpose you have to use? So mail, so whatever. Here also you can choose your main thing, or else I am just looking around like the way you have to select. How did you hear about this? You can click like a YouTube, because I only share it this in a YouTube way, right? Click a YouTube and going to the continue. Then how do you plan to using Lindy? So for your personal purpose or your business purpose, based on your wish, you can choose that. I have choose my with my team. So because our team also will work with this. So workspace names, that is your name, or you can change it the name, that was also your wish, you can give it like that. So invite to members to join, not now, like I continue to that. Okay, so free trial. So now you can log in with your just debit card wise you can log in with the free trial. So like click that and give it your card details, so then you can continue with this. Okay, so now it's not fight time for that, so now directly I can go with that page. Okay, now so now it's a different mail ID, so that's why they are asking to the login page. So this is the way you have to give a login, like save your card, then you can directly entering to your Lindy AI's official page. Okay, so now I have to go with this. Okay, here is that. So you can start your new agent. Okay, so it is not a free one. In the first day also I told this, so it's having some credits, so 400 credits limit is there. So after that you have to upgrade your plan. So until that you can create any kind of agent, you have to create with yourself. Okay, so now we can go with that new agent. So now you click newly create new agent, means click a new agent, and would you what would you like to automate? So what kind of thing you have to prepare, like that way you give it like a, I have to prepare email sending agent. So like that way you can give a prompt here. So you can chat, conversation wise you have to build, you can give a prompt wise, you can develop your new agent, or else you can manually create your workflow. So whatever it is, you can click that. So now I can click this. You can see the build agent. Now it's going to the official workflow page, like the model page we can say it. So now start first point, we have to select the trigger button. So in N10 tool, you remember that N10 tool also we have to follow the same method. So that place you have to maintain the start or stop button, like that way is there, or else the first start button is there. So every N10 or every automating tool, it contains the trigger point. So once it is triggered, then only it's going to the next step. Okay, so it was automatically working now. Okay, no needed. So I erase everything manually, I have to create this, so it's no needed. Yeah, okay, now I add this step. So first I add the trigger point. So first trigger we have to start with that mail wise. So our major concept, the user contact with us in the email wise, we can give a reply to the same platform. So that is our concept. Okay, so I have to choosing the mail. So like a email. So email received. First when the email will be received, then only the agent has to be triggered. So I click that email received. So I have to connect with my mail ID wise. So connection will be expired already. The same ID will be there, right? The connection was expired. So I have to choosing the same one. I reconnect this. So once again reconnect means you can log in with your mail ID, and you can allow some kind of options. So let's continue. So now you can see the mail and your Google products, everything you can connect with this particular Lindy AI. So you have to give access for this every boxes. So you have to give a select all and connect with your our Lindy AI. Then only they have to process the message. Then based on the condition wise, they have to give a reply to the user. Okay, that's why. So now I click a continue. Now it was connected successfully with our Lindy AI, like our official AI tool. Okay. So now the first step, the email receiving step will be done. Step was done, right? So the next step we have to go with that respond on if. So they have tried to create the the email was received. So they have to give a response for that. So how can it is response? Just a minute. The condition, we have to create a condition. Based on the condition wise, they have to give a reply to the user. So I select the condition. the condition was go down this path. So this path means we have to provide some kind of keywords. So what kind of purpose the user will contact with us or contact with you. You have to give us some purpose. So they not reply the every mails, right? We have to some domain wise, domain knowledge wise, or else for some particular purpose only we have to creating agent. So we are a e-learning domain. So I'm working like as a e-learning domain. So I have to create based on my company wise. So the any product related or any course related queries or any lead related queries I can get. My mail ID can get. I have to automate the process. So I can't every 24 into 7 I can't wait and see that reply the same user, right? So I have another works. So I have to automate my mail ID. So my agent has to be do my work. So every mail they have to analyze my mail. So any one mail is containing to the course related query or product related query the user to try to ask, they have to give a reply based on my knowledge base. Okay, first I have to create a condition for that. So this is the condition. The condition was I type like the emailer asks any question, like ask any any questions, sorry, related to general purpose. General is not needed. Okay, I can mention like a related to yeah, career consultation or course inquiry. Okay, course inquiry, and then any training programs related. And training programs related. So like this way. So the query, the user query, it contains this kind of the career consultation or course inquiry or any training program related. So like that way, the mail subject or else the keywords is there. Automatically, the agent will be triggered. Then they have to give a reply for the, like they automatically generate the reply and automatically send it to the user. Okay. So this is the condition. When the mail receive this condition related to this condition, then only they have to start generate the reply to the user. Until that they have to wait. Okay, so this is our condition. Okay, now I click this continue. Now we can give a action. First we have to prepare the condition. So followed by that, the conditions followed by that, they have to create an action. So how the agent has to be reply to the user. Okay, we have to create an action, right? So the action is we have to add this knowledge base. Okay, just a minute. Now condition was create, right? Next we can go with that knowledge based one. Okay. Oh, it's premium. Okay. So we can search the knowledge base. You can type like a configure knowledge base. So just like that, you can type a knowledge base. They have to execute like that. So with the help of the model wise, we can helps to generate the query, generate the answer for user based on our knowledge base file or any website, anything we have tried to give it like here. Okay. So first I have to enable that the model. Already we know this, right? So for trending AI LLM models are available. Now here the Claude Haiku 4.5 is there. Once you scroll up down, you can see the GPT one, Chat GPT is there. And then little bit scroll up down, Claude is there and Gemini is there. So Gamma, Llama, everything is there. So what is your convenient? You can choose that and execute it. Now I can choose it to GPT. I can try with the GPT. That was fit, right? Okay, I try with the GPT-4, the legacy model, smart but expensive by use when GPT-4 to fail. So last session, continually we can try with the Gemini, right? So we have to follow by the Gemini 2.5 flash. I can choose this, and confirmation we have to ask the file upload option. So once we have to select our model, then we can go with that file uploading option. Just a minute. So based on the mail receive wise, they have to generate the prompt. Now we don't touch anything here. The AI will be make this work. So the content creation, everything. But we have to upload the sample file. The outer resource I would said we are talk about the RAG model, right? So same thing. We have to upload the file. So I already have one file, like just a minute. So I prepare one file. I have this. So that was one course related file. So the business intelligence course related file. I use it here. Okay, but it is where it is that. Okay, I choose the every files. That was only I have to select. Yeah. Now. Yeah, the business intelligence report. Now I have to choose this business intelligence report. That is one of the model for my agent. I open this. That was uploaded here in this particular file upload. I mean sample file. Okay. I think it was added or not. How do I confirm that? Just a minute. Yeah, here the downloads is there. Yeah, the PDF is only convenient for this, so I have to choose the PDF one. Here. So once you can upload this, you can go with that next step. So we have to configure the knowledge, and we can rename this page like this, like configure knowledge base instead of this search knowledge base. And the condition also we can give a rename to respond on only if, like give a name like this. So here we can give a search knowledge. Okay, just a minute. I think it's not work out to it once I allow the pop-up. It's not executed. Just a minute. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, so we have directly not select this field. Yeah, now we can continue it here. Okay, condition. Oh, that also removed. Oh shit. So just a minute. I removed everything. Okay. The emailer asks any questions related to the general queries or my job or career consultation training program or course inquiry device is there. You can continue with this. Okay, this is the respond only first condition. Now we can followed by this select the search knowledge base. So we are directly followed by this the condition only. So next step we have to go to the search knowledge base. So click this option. Now we can select the option. So file wise we can add, or text wise we can add the knowledge base, or Dropbox, or anything we can followed by that, or directly you can connect with your website. They can collect the details from your website also. So for an example, I select the website, you can paste it your URL, I mean your link. So next time we can try with this. Now we can go into again. Okay. It is suddenly it's there. Search knowledge base. I upload the file. The same file is there. I choosing all file here. So now it was uploaded. The file, the business intelligence report was uploaded. Once it is done, you can go into the save option. So it was executed now. Okay. So now we can followed by this search knowledge base is there. The next step we have to give another condition. So they have to send the reply to the user. Once you gain the knowledge from this particular search, the outer resource, then you can give a reply to the user. Like that way we have to give a next comment. Okay, next I have to comment like this. So again I add the condition. The condition was you have a knowledge. You have knowledge. You have a knowledge to the in the particular knowledge base related to the questions. Okay. What the emailer ask. So like that way we have to done our condition, the next condition. Okay. So once you do this add this condition, then we have to go into the sender reply. So everything was done. First we have to receive the mail, then we have to respond the mail, then they have to search the knowledge from this particular knowledge base, then we have to create a condition for reply. Here also we can rename that reply on if. So finally we can create a one final node how they have to reply to the user. Same mail wise they have to give a reply. So you have to add to the what was that action. Now its action is there. Now we select this and the same thing email. So send a reply. So do you type like a mail or anything you can do directly. It is available option they have to show. So guys select the send reply. So after this reply you can build the another conditions also. So after email send you can give a thank you node, or else you can do with the next step of the user's query. Like that you can build. So now we can create these kind of things. So this only we was discussed in a first session, right? So now I have to show in this step-by-step concept of this. First they have to receive the mail, then is a respond only if based on the mail wise they have to give a response, and this knowledge base. So the file wise they have to retrieve the knowledge from the particular outer source, then they have to generate the reply. How they have to give a reply to the user? Same mail wise they have to give a reply. Okay, so like this way they have to generate it. So now we can see the step by step everything will be there. Fine. So before running this process I have to remind one thing, that was as usual same thing I have to show you. We are offering the one particular internship program of this Agentic Intelligence Masterclass. This kind of internship contains 30 days of exclusive recording session. All presentation downloadable source codes are available. Exclusive 4+ projects code with the downloadables are available. IET confirmation letter, 180 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task, academic internship report, and high valued IET certified internship certificate we will provide it to you. So the discount fee is at 999. The registration link we will share it in the chat box, and it was available in the description in every time, in any time. And this is the payment page. Once you can follow the link, you can get the page like this. You can give it your basic detail and select the agent internship. Then we can get it, take care of you. Okay. So tomorrow is the last day for this, so don't miss this offer. So that's why I again remind this. Okay. Fine. So now we can go with that execution process. Okay. Now we are entering into the execution process. Fine. There is two different way we have to execute. Once we can directly deploy this and run this, or else you can enable this button. This is the agent enabling process. Once you can enabling this, they have to every time 24/7 it was turn on that. When you can receive the mail, automatically the agent take a response to the particular user. So like that way. So now we can execute that. Fine. I have to deploy this. Now the save changes, everything was done. The deploy thing which was done. The every changes are saved successfully. The internship program will taken by you. Yeah, of course, yeah. So I only teaching to you with a one-on-one session wise. This internship is contains one-on-one session. So comparatively, the clear explanation is there. So you have any doubt means weekly once we conduct the live session. So you have any doubt in that particular live session, we can asking and clarify your doubt. Okay. Fine. So now I can execute this. So once I turn on this, so same mail, the mail ID, receiving mail ID also same thing. The Pantech@Gmail. The sending mail also same thing. So now we can start with the different mail ID. Okay. Already there is different one, right? So I can prepare that. So compose the mail here. So compose that. So the two mail is the Shankar Ganesh Pantech. That was my two address. The subject is just like give a course inquiry. Like that way I have to give. Then I have to just the simple words way I have to prepare the mail. Hello. Oh, sorry. I need to know about the, what was that, artificial intelligence course. Can you share any brochures or it was mistake. Or any sources. Can you share any brochures or any resources? So I don't want to represent my name here. Okay. So just I have to ask him my query based on my mail name wise. They have to give a reply for me. Okay. So now I send this mail to the official mail of Shankar Ganesh Pantech, that agent mail ID. So now we can check the mail was received or not. Okay, don't know. Now we can see, not still it is not received. Once I refresh the page, yeah, now we can see the Shankar Ganesh that was received here, but I am not click this particular mail. The new mail was automatically hide because here I am enabling this particular mail. The agent was see every kind of mail. They have to monitor that, but only reply based on my condition wise. They have to reply the particular mails only. Okay. So it takes some time to, yeah, now we can see again instantly they have to send the reply for this. Now the user will ask, I need to know about the artificial intelligence course. Can you share any brochures as sources? Like that way they have to asking queries. So immediately the agent has been send a reply. You can see Still I'm not doing anything. 0 minutes only is there. You can see, hello, thank you for interest in our artificial intelligence course. I had be happy to help you with the information about our AI course offerings. We have comprehensive programs designed to equip you with practical skills in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and AI applications. The course highlighted things and what we are covering in this place, and I would be delighted to the some kind of experience like this. They are asking some similar questions. So the best regards, Shankar Ganesh Pantek. My mail ID wise, they have to give a reply. Okay, now they have to give a reply instantly. We can go and check with that particular sending. Yeah, now we can see the reply mail is here. So this is the different mail ID. You can see that. So Shankar Ganesh 1 at that. So I have to see this. You can see. Thank you for your interest on artificial intelligence. Like that way, they have to generate and send it to the user. So now I try with a different mail. They immediately send the mail. Okay, now. So this is the way step-by-step concept way we have to create the on email sending agent. It is not a big thing, it's not a big deal. So it is the simplest one. Only 3 to 4 steps only we have to make. First step, we have to make a email receiving thing. Second step, we have to respond on if only you have to respond to the particular mails queries. Then search knowledge base, we have to adding to the one particular option, and reply on if. So they have to generate the reply. Finally, send it to the reply from with the mail ID wise, same mail wise, they have to give a reply. Okay, so these are all the things we have to discuss it here. In just a minute, I will be back once I post down the attendance in a chat box. Just a minute. Okay, oh sorry, the attendance link was shared in a chat box and it was available in the pinned comments. Kindly give it your attendance. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the day 1 we was see. Now we can try to see the entire explanation about the agent creation. So once you can enabling this 24/7, they have to monitoring your mail ID. They have to give a reply to like this. So anyone you can try with this means you can try tomorrow until tomorrow class wise. I have to enabling this option. You can anyone have to try get an immediate response. You can try with this same with this mail ID. So shankarganeshpantech@gmail.com. This is my agent email receiving mail ID. So you can try with that anyone. So tomorrow, what kind of response you can get? You can tomorrow share it with your experience to me. So that's it. So this is today's concept. I hope everyone can understand. So you have any doubt means you can ask anytime. The contact number I have to share now. This is the contact details. So internship users, I can try to share the entire step-by-step concept. I have to share it in a downloadables way. It was available in your downloadables. Kindly check with that. I think we was done with the more than 10 videos we was done. So remaining as soon as possible we will upload it now. So others, you have to need this particular sources and presentation everything. You can join with our internship. The internship link it was available in description. So kindly use of it. Tomorrow is the last day of this offer, so don't miss this. Okay, thank you all. Thank you. So remaining, I told already, right? WhatsApp automating agent we have to create, and then which one is that? Healthcare I try to create because it is too little more complex to create, so I try to create that one. And remaining things I have two pendings is that one was the coding wise RAG model is there off, so I have to show the output for that, as well as N8 tool also the vector database splitting, there are also some errors that also I have to resolve and showing to that upcoming 6 days. So remaining 7 days only is there, right? So in the 7 days we can try to cover this kind of things. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you Kumar, thank you Sherin Fatima, thank you Tridham Madanki, thank you Pranav Tandil, thank you all, thank you for your responses. Okay, we will meet on the next session and see you. I think tomorrow only we are to entering with that theoretical way only. I think tomorrow or sorry, day 26. Day 26 only we have to take a concept like a responsible AI. So what is responsible AI? Where it was used, like that way we have to discuss. Then we are going to the practical. Okay, so one day only we can see with the theory. Otherwise, remaining days we can take over these sessions or fully hands-on and practically only. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you. We'll meet on the next session. See you.